What's going on, guys? Thank you for like, comment, and subscribing. Back with a much anticipated update. As you guys see, I don't have pallets on me today. Switching things up, you know, with the huge downturn in the pallet economy a lot of you guys are experiencing. You know, customers are buying less. Pallet prices, some people have dropped from $12 to as low as $4. You know, you're gonna have to make some huge adjustments. We're entering a recessionary period in America. We all know this, and it's going to affect everything that we do. So you guys see some pallets on me. You know, I've been updating the course. I have a whole revolutionary new program that's been updated and catered to the current economic times that we're in. You know, all these other programs are still trying to peddle you on how things were years ago. I do nothing like that at all. So as always, guys, shoot me an email, shoot me a DM, and all my students, people that support me, stay tuned for tons of updates as I expand. Look forward to helping you guys. Peace and love.